Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're beginning a factory reset on a Vivo device. First, get essentials ready so the reset proceeds without interruptions. Back up your data to Google or a computer because a factory reset erases user files. Once done, make sure the phone has at least 50% charge and that you know your Vivo or Google account login. These prevent lockouts after reset. If you use an SD card, remove it to avoid accidental formatting. Now power off and move to recovery mode to continue. You've powered off and entered recovery by holding volume up and power. This puts you in Vivo's low-level menu so you can clear user data safely. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset and press power to confirm because touchscreen may be inactive in recovery. The system will ask for a final confirmation. Accept it to remove settings, apps, and accounts. Then let the device complete the operation. Interrupting it can corrupt the system, after which you'll reboot to set up. You've completed the wipe. Now choose Reboot System Now so the phone starts fresh and initializes system services. During setup, sign in with the same Vivo or Google account used before the reset. This prevents factory reset protection locks and restores sync. If the device fails to boot or remains stuck on logo, power off and repeat the recovery wipe once more. If problems persist, use Vivo's PC tool or visit support, because persistent boot issues often indicate corrupted firmware or hardware faults that need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.